Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to split table into two columns in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I split table into two columns in this document. At first, you have to select this column. Select this table on this right column, then press Ctrl X, then go to bottom of the table and press Ctrl V to paste. Now remove this column to select this column and press delete column. Now re-measurement this column. Now this both column are make the same size. Wait. Now move this column to side by side. Now you can see I split table into two columns in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.